आपको इस वक्त बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं। पीटीआई के रहनुमा आजम सवाती इस वक्त तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Elite force, anti-narcotic force. While leading this great struggle, I am obliged to you, Dr. Zarka and Professor Malik, that you have taken this task and bringing this daunting challenge to the promising future of Pakistan, that is the student of this great university. From the very outset, let me share a historical nightmare that I've been carrying for the last 50 years. For the last 50 years. So that is not something very small I want to share with you. And that is on the lighter note. From 1966 to 1970, I was a student in Government Postgraduate College, Abbottabad. I was a mediocre debater. For that very reason, I was elected president of Student Union for twice in the history of that college. But the things I want to share with you, that I was also member of a debating society where we students would go and attend inter-college debates. For God's sake, wherever we will meet Government College Lahore team, we would not have any chance to win that debate. So today, the defeated debater from 1966 to 1970, when I did my first master degree from that college, you have made it happen, sir, that I am addressing the most elite, prestigious, distinguished university in the landscape of Pakistan. Now, Professor Malik, when you were talking about brain power or a powerhouse, it reminded me the Creator of Almighty. Allah Almighty so eloquently described this human ingenuity. لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ التَّقْوِيمِ. This is that brain that invented smartphone through one brain in 2001, and look at the digital technology that is transforming our lives day in and day out. Sir, I'm calling on the same human mind today and want them to pledge that the daunting challenge that we are facing today in our society, in our homes, in our streets, in our businesses, in our education centers, schools, colleges and universities, we together can meet that challenge. And if somebody would ask me, is that difficult? Yes, it is difficult. It is impossible. My leader Imran Khan says there is nothing impossible. If a person mopping and sweeping in convenience store in United States for $2.50 per hour can become an entrepreneur 3 master degree, PhD, and so many others. And for the last 18 years in Senate, 3-time federal minister, nothing is impossible. You are the force that are going to be taking our seats. You are the driving force. I'm talking to the students. After your rank, there will be army chiefs, there will be prime minister, there will be president, there will be great entrepreneur businessmen, there will be advocates, all walks of life, and professors at the most. You are the one who are going to be leading this fight to save humanity. And what Almighty says about saving humanity, एक आदमी की जान बचाना पूरी इंसानियत को बचाने के बराबर है। और जब हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं ये वीक, रहमतुल्लिल आलमीन खातमुल अंबिया मुहम्मद रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, what he said, कसम है मुझे उस परवरदिगार की कि जिसके हाथ में मेरी जान है, मोहम्मद ये बता रहा है सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम कि एक इंसानी जान काबा की अजमत से भी बड़ी है। This is the fight that you are going to be a leader, you are going to be ambassador, you are going to be one that are going to be knocking on each door. So yes, it is.
कंट्रोल आजम खान सवाती तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे, अपने जमाना तालिब इल्मी की कुछ बातें, कुछ यादें शेयर कर रहे थे। इसके अलावा उनका यह भी कहना था कि उनके लीडर इमरान खान कहते हैं कि कुछ भी नामुमकिन नहीं है।
वापस आते हैं एक ब्रेक के बाद,
आप साथ रहिए।